Hello, everyone.
Good morning!
Good
Breakfast
morning.
time!
Breakfast time.
Anong breakfast mo, ha?
My breakfast is cocoa crunch and water.
Water. No, milk.
What is it? Crunch. Mommy, there's one.
Drink water na, anak. Sige na. Water. First thing in the morning. It's good.
My spoon.
It's here, wait.
Mommy, love you.
I love you too. Get your breakfast na.
Okay, Mommy.
Get your breakfast. Come on. You want sandwich? Gusto mo ng sandwich, anak?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Is it anything with the sun? The sun?
Ayun.
You put it orange?
I don't know.
Of course you don't.
Later, ang gagawin natin, Thea.
What?
Ang gagawin natin later?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Of course.
But can we paint Easter?
Easter eggs? Anak, tapos na nga yung Easter.
Okay, Mommy, but I will just pretend it's Easter.
Okay ka. Mamaya, okay?
I'm sorry, everyone, because I will like doing such smile. If I don't want to talk to you, then bye-bye. But I love you, everyone.
That's very sweet.
But look at my penguin toy. Is enough?
What's enough? Come on. Just hold them. Anything. Oh, okay.
Enough.
Wait.
Enough.
Good morning. Good
Good
breakfast,
morning.
Thea. So, cereals. Ang nakulaki ng pimple ni Mommy.
Who did that to you?
Nothing. It's just a pimple. Pimple, pimple.
Mommy, can you move it out?
You want me to remove my pimple? Me too, anak.
Mommy, just move it out
Okay.
with not your hands.
Just
only with the tissue.
Okay.
And put a little bit of water.
And then?
And then put it on your face.
Okay. Where did you learn that?
I just see you
I
last
just saw you.
time. I just saw you last time.
Okay. So, later, magbe-bake tayo ng dinner roll. Request ni Thea.
Circle bread.
Yes, with sweet potato. Yeah? Bake tayo mamaya. Yan ipapakita natin sa kanila. Okay, guys.
Everyone, I will see you later. And I will bake and I will show you the bread.
Okay. See you later.
See you later. I want to look a weather, so I will be happy ever.
Ano paborito mong weather, anak?
I just love. I love. I love. I love.
Sunny day?
I love. Sunny day. Sunny day. Sunny day.
Tumubo na anak yung basil ni Mami. Oh.
Ah.
Yes, here is the basil.
Can I see inside?
Inside, okay, wait.
Gung, 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 gung. Gung, 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 gung. Mommy, why is
Kantahan mo yung mga plants mo para tumubo.
What?
Kakantahan mo yung mga plants mo para tumubo sila. So they will grow.
B, A, B, C, D. Why you didn't put strawberry? The fruit strawberry?
It's here. Your strawberry is here.
Okay, Mommy, but
You need to wait for 2 weeks. So you
one.
will see the seedlings.
I love you. You love me. We're all best friends together. We got great big call and a kiss from you. Don't you say you love me, do you?
Okay, now you saw the world.
Huh?
Oh, nakita mo na yung world?
No,
Not yet?
no.
See outside, sunny weather.
But it's so dark.
It's not dark. Look, it's so bright outside. Pero hindi ka makakalabas.
But why?
You know why?
Because there's virus.
Yes. Don't
Goodbye, everyone. See you later.
Okay, bye-bye. Anak, come on. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Mashed potato.
Ano, what are you going to do?
I'm going to bake
What?
bread.
Ah, bread. Okay.
I want to bake bread shaped like a flower.
Ah, what are the ingredients?
Egg.
How many eggs?
2 eggs.
Okay.
Oil.
Oil. Okay.
Sugar.
Okay.
Milk.
Milk. Flour.
Flour.
What else?
Mashed potato.
And you will mash the sweet potato.
And
Okay, mash it first, sweet potato. So, gagawa kami ng dinner rolls. Sasamahan namin ng...
Mommy, I want bread.
Ah, yes! Sasamahan namin ng kamote or sweet potato. Para mas healthy and soft. So, nagmamash si Thea ng sweet potato. Mash it. Come on, anak. You need my help?
No.
No, thank you. Ba't naka-lipstick ka pa? Magbe-bake ka lang.
Because you put...
Sabi mo kasi gusto mong lipstick eh. Mash mo na yan. Mabuti. Tulungan ka ni Mami.
What else?
Milk. So, you need to mash it properly, anak.
Mommy, and
So,
milk.
iniintay natin na mag-bubbles na tong mixture ng milk at ng yeast
Oil saka...
para umalsa yung bread natin.
May brown
Diba?
sugar ako dito, te. Oil sa sukal.
So, habang kami nagkakagalito dito sa kitchen, si Thea magbe-bake ng dinner rolls o ng monay.
Bubo yung asukal.
Nagluto naman si Ate Sol ng spaghetti. Si Kyra naman.
Garlic bread.
Sabihin mo anak, kung ano gagawin ni Tita Kyra? Tita Kyra is what? What is she going to do?
Or garlic bread.
Yes, garlic bread. Masayit anak.
They're making garlic bread.
Spaghetti.
And spaghetti.
Spaghetti garlic bread.
Okay, so tapos na tong mashed potato mo anak. Mashed sweet
Yeah.
potato.
Yeah.
So let's wait for the yeast mixture. Ito anak yung yeast mixture. Milk and yeast. Okay?
Ay, nabumpisa ka na naman.
Alright.
Me.
Ah.
And I'm helping her too. Because I'm really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And I really love everyone.
Ah, okay.
I can.
Ay, anak ko.
I'm sorry again. Pop!
Okay. Mix it. Wait. Lalagay natin yung egg.
I want to.
Okay. Did you wash your hands, anak?
No.
No, pero kanina nag-wash ka ng hands, no? Okay na. Break the egg.
I can't.
Eggs in the pan.
I can't. I can't.
Why you can't?
Because I'm still a kitty.
Hindi ka dapat nagbe-bake kung kid ka pa. Hindi mo pala alam.
Pinch of salt.
Okay. So, nilagyan din natin dyan ng pinch of salt pala. And then, the oil. Where's the oil, anak?
I'm sorry.
Sino kumuha ng oil dito?
Do you need salt? I can.
No, nilagyan ko na. Okay, anak. So, lalagyan natin siya ng oil. How many tablespoons? Okay. 3
Ilagay mo na ulit lahat
tablespoons
yan.
of
Wala na rin.
oil.
Tama na.
Okay, good. Alright, now mix it, anak, using this. Hold mo tong bowl. Carefully, ha, Thea? Carefully. Give me.
And it
Alright,
is
so anak, ito na yung dough natin. And then, cover natin siya ng cling wrap. And,
there's
We'll
our
wait for 1 hour.
donut.
not donut, it's a dough.
We're going. There's our dough, and
We'll wait for 1 hour
we'll wait for 1 hour
before baking.
before baking. I'll splash the water. Mommy, look at my cookie.
It's okay, come on.
Can you move
It's
it?
cute. Later, it's cute, anak.
It's
So,
cute,
magla-lunch na si
beautiful.
Thea. Gusto
I'm
niya
going
is
to lunch.
spaghetti pasta. Ayaw niya na may
Spaghetti
sauce.
pasta.
And then, cucumber, tomato. Sarap na?
So tasty.
Oo, nagtaob.
So tasty.
Wow.
Come on, do it. Come on.
Just one more time.
Okay, one more time. Go. Sige na, higupin mo. Come on. It's okay. Naughty noodle. Failed. So, pinapaalsa ko na yung dough namin ni Thea. Naglagay ako ng mask. Kasi sabi ni Kyra, nakakaganda daw to. 30 minutes lang to. Anong klaseng mask to, Kai?
Clay mask.
Clay mask. Okay, so ito yun. Clay mask from anong bansa? Egypt?
Indian?
From India yata. From India. Binili niya sa Healthy Options. Muntik na maging Fresh Options eh. No? Health. Masakit. Huwag mo patwanin. Healthy Options.
Pagka-1 kilo
Ayan.
manok dyan.
Guys, hindi sa Fresh Options ha. Sa Healthy Options. Okay. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Kasi may pimple ako dito. Tingnan ko kung effective siya.
Nag-dry yung pimple ko dito nung ano eh.
Nag-dry?
Oo.
Ayan. Look at Kyra. Ayan. Nakamask kami.
Diba?
Ah.
Ganda ka, be.
Diba? Okay. So, mamaya pagkatapos ito, tutuloy na namin ang baking. Ah.
The bread is finished. We're going to put it out
Take
of
it.
the oven.
We're going to take it out
We're going to take it out of the oven.
from the oven. Okay, careful na mainit to. Masarap. Anak, oh, come on. Finish na. Come here muna. Thea, come on. Okay, tell them, here is the finished product.